Hi, dear learners, today I'm going to introduce Microsoft Word add-in that can directly write, rephrase, summarize, and explain your documents using the power of ChatGPT directly in the MS Office. To get this add-in, open Microsoft Word,
Go to Insert and click on Get Add-in. Search for Gen Text. Click on this Add button and continue. It will take a bit and it will get installed. Here it is. If this thing doesn't open up automatically, you can click on this Gen Text AI Assistant as well. So the very first step is you have to sign in. So click on the sign in button. That's it. I've signed in. The thing with this Gen Text add-in is that it is not free. It is free for only up to 10,000 words. So it gives you a count that how many free words are left. After that, you have to buy or upgrade the plan, but you can click on this button to buy the extended version of this add-in. So in this video, I'm just going to explore that what this thing is and how it can help me create documents within this Microsoft Word. From this drop-down menu, I can select what I want to do. I can create a draft, I can summarize an already written thing, I can rephrase, I can figure out the bullet points, or I can convert a long paragraph having different kind of information or different points in it into bullet points, and I can also expand the bullet points, that is to explain something. So let me select the summarize option. Now all I have to do is I have to select the text of which I want a summary. So let's suppose I'm going to select this complete document, which is on climate change, and then I have to click this generate button. It will take a bit, and in the next page it has created the summary. So this article discusses the concept of climate change and its impact on the environment. It highlights that climate change is caused by both natural and human factors and all that. So without even going through the whole document, you have generated its summary. Let me do one more thing. For example, I want to rephrase a certain portion. So let me rephrase this thing. Whatever is under this heading, when did it start? I have selected this text and now I'm going to click on generate. It is going to rephrase it. It has deleted it and now it will rephrase it. So over here it has rephrased it and it has written it much more better. So you can use this thing with one email address for 10,000 words. If you want to use it more, either you have to change the email address or you can buy or upgrade this plan and you can use it more. This tool is very powerful, very to the point, and gives very accurate results. So I hope this will help you draft your documents in a much better way, and you can use the full potential of this add-in to your benefit. Thank you and take care.